In this video, I want to show you how you can find measures in Power BI that someone else has hidden. Now you may think, I can just go to the report, to the table view, and there I see the measures that are hidden because they have this little eye there and a line through it. Or to the model view, where you can also see it. But and this is where I actually learned about this. Sometimes you have like a live connection or direct query, which means even as a report editor, you can't see the tables or the model. And I actually found out about this because I created a report for a client and they told me all the measures are in there and I just couldn't find the base measures. And if you can't find them and you don't know the name, you also can't use them in another DAX measure, of course. So I struggled a bit. And then actually someone at my client told me, don't you know that you can unhide them? And obviously I didn't, because otherwise I wouldn't create this video. But now that I know, I thought I will share with you how that actually works. So when you're in Power BI and you go to data, you see all your tables. And in this table, just to give it away, I'm looking for the sales column, but as you can see, it's not in there. So how can we make that visible? I do right click on my table and there we have the option View Hidden. And when you do that, you actually, even if you have a live connection or a direct query connection, you actually see the hidden measures and then you can use them in other DAX measures too. So this is really a quick fix. I didn't know about this and I've been using Power BI for a very, very long time. And I thought, well, maybe someone else also doesn't know it. So let's share these kind of things.